Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been 3 years. Hola, my YouTube channel is running. Thank you for all the love and support. I love you all. Syempre, wala tayong pasok and a lot of sale, especially Boxing Day here in London, UK. Boxing Day is 50% off. Black Friday is the more 50% off. So I do shop online. This is the thing I love. Shopping online. I keep an eye on the items that I really like. So if I saw it today, it's 35-20% off. I won't buy it. I'll wait until it becomes 50%, and probably I will, if I can still wait when it's on clearance. So jackpot. Jackpot. I want to take a Max. Yeah, I want to take a Max, and this is the one I buy. I love bags, guys. Bags. I have a lot of bags. Bags makes me happy. It's so pretty, and I buy it because it's on sale. It's on sale. Look, do I need to stand up? Look the bag. Yeah. Okay. I better not stand up. So the price is where is the price? Where's the price? Ayan, it was $75. Oh, it was $98. It was $98. Then magaling ako magaling talaga ako mag-abang ng mura, guys. So I just buy it for only 28 pounds. I think it is $25. The $98, it's become $25. See, I'm very good because I go to the shop and I saw this one and it's still on 30%. So I just waited for the clearance. So I have this one, the sling bag. Yeah, okay. The next one, I buy this, guys, because I told you I go back to college, and I buy this one. Laptop bag. Laptop bag. I buy a laptop bag because I need to bring my laptop going to school. So I'm studying 6 to 9 p.m. in the evening because I'm working in the morning. So that's why I'm not active in YouTube anymore. So I don't do live streaming anymore. This is my life as a student. And the price is 79.99 pounds. Yeah, that's 80 pounds. But me, magaling ako maghanap ng cheaper one. So I just waited to become it's 50% off. Now it's $24.99. It's become 25 pounds. See? Yeah, poor lang tayo, guys. I love to buy things, expensive things, but I need to wait. I need to wait when it's on clearance, when it's on sale, like Black Friday, Boxing Day, summer sale, winter sale. That's the thing I busy. I'm waiting waiting for the time. And this one I order online also. The school supplies. So like this thing I just buy in the shop, and some of the things I buy online. So I did not this one is delivered 2 days ago, so I just open it to check it. Yeah, so I have a notebook with 5 pen. Because this is on sale. So anyway, I don't need much of this one because I can use my laptop. Everything was in there. So I got another pen. Baka kasi mawala. So I have 10 pens. So pencil, I already have one. So I just need this one and this one. I'm so excited to see this one. I ordered another earpods because look at my earpods. It's already old because this one is 2 years old. So I buy a new one. Because I don't know. I cannot survive without earpods. I'm not happy, you know, going to work 1 hour by train, and I don't like quiet. I don't like that. So I buy the Acer earpods, the new one. Look guys, bongga no, bongacious. Naka-sale siya. Hindi ko na kasi makita yung price niya eh. Nandito sa phone ko, naka-vlog ako. Naka-vlog ako, na dyan yung price. Online ko kasi siya, alam mo. Ito lang advice ko sa inyo guys. If you want to buy something much cheaper, do it online. Do it online because most of the sale items are online. If you go to the shop, the price is different. Big different. So this is me. Online shopping is life. Shopping is life. So I'm so excited with my new Acer wireless headset. Let's open it. And I have a lot of unboxing, and I ordered a new boots there. Shoes. I said I will do the unboxing, but no, this is only thing for this school. So I do another vlog for that. And I have one more coming. Ay, pusa! Nalaglag sa dali. Aray. This one, it's fell down. I'm so happy every time I buy something for myself. I'm so happy because I deserve, because I'm the one working here, working alone. You see my son, since kinder I'm the one working, so I need to charge it. Ay. I need to put this thing here. So we'll start charging it now. And uy, this is the thing that I like it. You know, when I saw it online, I like it because there is a timer. You see, 95% battery charge. Unlike the other one is like that small dot, and then the green light, you see it's full. This one like this because me non-stop. Always, I have always something. I'm not happy if I will not, you know, no music. I don't like quiet stuff. I talk and talk a lot. Every day when I started working, I called my friend, Marites, are you ready? 2 hours on phone. Me, 2 hours on phone. I'm telling you, every day. So, yan guys, alam nyo na kung bakit hindi na ako nag-aayuda. Kasi, busy na yung laptop ko eh. Pagbukas ko sa kanya, talagang doon lang yung mga work ko eh, naiwanan ko. Kaya guys, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. Kasi mag-stop na ako mag-YT, or because I have a lot of videos, still have a lot of video, that is why. Bye! Thank you so much!